Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. So not quite an emergency. I just want to show you what's possible. We can see some upside over the weekend. Obviously, we need to get above the central Bollinger Band on the daily and this fib line. Keep in mind this is the daily. So this is the top Bollinger Band on the daily, center and bottom Bollinger Band. So I'm going to show you these key levels. If we get a daily open above a certain point, that is bullish, and I'll show you why we could see some upside. So we need to pay attention to that. If you have not watched the video I put up previously, do watch that video. I'll put a link up to it now. I covered some more macro as well as some short-term targets, but your most important targets what I'm expecting over the next month or so. So again, watch this video. It was put up yesterday. I'll also give your hourly targets, and we'll cover the liquidity. If we have some liquidity above also. So again, I'll show you why I think it's possible we can move to the upside. By the way, I did get some questions from a few people regarding this CoinCatch special. I'll put a link up to this events page now if you want to read it and check it out. So worked out a deal with CoinCatch. If you deposit $500 USDT, you can get $750 USDT back. You deposit $1,000, you'll get $3,000 USDT back. You can use this to pad your stop loss and to cover your trading fees. Some people are asking when they get the deposit. So when you deposit your funds into your spot account, then you move, let's say you deposited $1,000 USDT into your spot account, and you transfer that to your futures account. The payout is every 7 days. So since it started on the 13th, it'd be the 20th when they do that payout. And keep in mind, guys, if you do the 500 or the 1,000, you can get free access to my charts and Discord. Again, 500, you get 1 month access to charts and Discord. If you do the 1,000, you get 2 months access to charts and Discord. To take advantage of that, just if you've already got your deposit bonus back, just email me through the website, through the contact page. And I'll verify everything and then send you a Discord invite link and set you up on the website with an account so you can access the live charts. But just wanted to cover that. Also, I did put up a tutorial video if you want to, and I try to keep it short. I just was too damn thorough with this video. It ended up being 20 minutes, but I do have timestamps. But this covers all the tools I use and how I use them and how to protect yourself trading. So if you want to watch this tutorial video for CoinCatch, I'll put a link up to it now. And by the way, guys, on that events page, and again, all this will be pinned in the first comment description. My referral link is also on that events page. I'll put a link up to that now if you want to use my link to sign up. And if you want to actually type in my referral code, it's LCKO. So let me get into this and show you why I'm thinking it's possible to see some upside. But most importantly, guys, you have to play the levels. So you'll notice these vertical yellow lines I have here. You notice this one right here. Well, let me get rid of this RSI. We're only looking at the MACD right now. So if you'll notice, we got a cross. This is the moving average on the MACD. This was back on, let's see, well, let me move this out of the way here. So this was on November 5th, 2024. We got a cross and price shot up. We got a hell of a move. And then you can see the next time we got a cross, I mean, we have had some pumps before, but just using the moving averages, if you'll notice, the next time we got a cross was right here, and that was a hell of a move. If you go the day before, that was a 22% move, so pretty substantial move from that point. But I just want to point out, we don't have to get a cross, but typically when we do get a bullish cross on the daily moving average for the MACD, take note that it's green and then it goes to red. So if we get across this low, we could see some upside. So that's something to pay attention to. If price goes sideways and down, we won't get across. But I think if we get above this level right here, and again, like I said, it's no coincidence this moving average, the center Bollinger Band on the daily, is coming right to this resistance level. And let me give you that price target, guys. So price label. So that target, so the central Bollinger Band on the daily right now is like 98,800. This fib line is right at 98,300. So next daily open, that's pretty much going to be right where the daily moving average is, and this fib line that we've been under for days and days now. So if we get a daily open above 98,500 and that holds, I would be bullish up to at least 102,300. I would short that area, but if we do hold above 98,500, I would long to 102,320, but I would short that point because that's where the top Bollinger Band is coming down to, and that's going to be a lot of resistance, this area right here. It's a very important fib line, but again, you can see there's a lot of resistance here. So if we get rejected and drop from 98,400, your next strong support level is going to be right around 95,700. So again, I'd be long I'd have my stop loss below that point if you're already long now. Your next strongest support level below that is right around 93,770. But those are your key levels, but do pay attention over the weekend. See if we get a daily open above 98,500. That will probably give us a bullish cross on the MACD on the daily, which could send us up to at least 1 or 2,320. Your hourly levels, guys, so like I said, the central Bollinger Band on the daily is sitting at right around 98,900, around that area. Next resistance level just above is around 100,800. Next level I have above that on the hourly for the H1 chart is 103,700. That's probably where the top Bollinger Band on the daily is currently. If we drop, guys, same thing. This is pretty on par with the D1 chart. Your most key support levels on the hourly are 96,600 to 95,237. If you watched that previous video, guys, I explained why 92,000 is a very key level. If that breaks, we're going much lower. So do watch that previous video. And as I said, you can go to YouTube and put in Bitcoin book maps, but we have a lot of liquidity up around 99,000 up to 100,000. So it's very possible they could push this up, take out that liquidity, and then come back down. So I did want to cover all of that. But do check out the tutorial video, guys, if you want to. I was very thorough covering trigger orders, limit orders. They added new features. I cover those features as well. Do check out the events page. That will be pinned in the first comment description, as well as my referral link if you want to sign up. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.